everyone, welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So in this video I'm going to be testing my Midea home AC. I haven't switched it on in a while, maybe 6 months or even more than that. So I want to see how it performs after a very long time of inactivity. I'm not sure if you guys can read that, but it's all in Chinese. So this is how it looks like from the bottom, and I have to power it on. I have to plug it on. Let's see, where is it? There it is. I need to find the remote control and turn it on, and then we're going to be checking the outside power unit. And this is the remote control. So now let's power it on and see what happens. I wanna raise it up to the maximum. There it is. Now we need to check out that outside unit. Normally, and everything's looking good all the time, so I think nothing is wrong, and I'm happy to say that it's working as expected. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it off. Okay, this one is off. Let's see. I just turned off the AC, and the blades are still spinning. that concludes our mini test. I think everything is looking good. The AC is okay, and thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you again next time. Goodbye.